How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel. I got a different video in mind today. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video and how to use this lovely product here called, I'm just going to go with a Smooth 4 or Smooth Mobile. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. All right, let's get going in the video. So before I start, I am using my iPhone 8 to shoot this video. Not using my Canon M50 yet because I need to know how to use it properly. Let's just put it that way. And my laptop is not here yet, so I'm doing everything on my iPhone 8. And I like it because I'm learning more and more about my phone. So let's get back to the topic at hand, Smooth 4. Okay, I got my trusty tool right here. Can't even cut a straight line. There we go. Look at that. Alright, I'm gonna one-hand this because I am using the phone to, my other hand to hold the phone. And by the way, for my lighting, this is what I'm using. This little thing is so bright, and I didn't even buy it. I got it at my job. They actually was gonna throw it away, and I'm like, you know what? Let me get this. I like this little thing right now. Right now, it's at 35%. And it's not even that bright. At the end of the video, I'll show you how bright this little thing can be right here. But let's get back to the video. Let me just take this out. And this is how it actually comes. Well, other than out of this box, but this is it. And the truth. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, it's pretty good. Once again, I have another kind of like a tripod thing. Like a mini tripod. Let me get this knife out of the way. Alright. I'm going to use my wife's phone on here. I'm going to put it on here to see. Wow, look at that. Look at this bad boy. You can just... not bad. It's not heavy at all, actually, despite how it looks. It is not that heavy whatsoever, which is a good sign, but let me attach the phone on there real quick. All right, the phone is now on here. I turned it on. Even with the phone on here now, it's still not heavy at all. It is still lightweight, which is good, and it doesn't need any batteries or anything like that. I haven't looked at the manual, but I'm assuming USB cord. There's a little port right there for it. This has to be how you charge it. I don't know if it'll give you access to the phone as well while you're on there. That would be great. But yeah, no batteries, and I could see there's a little hole right there. You could mount this sucker, so that's good. Look at that. It looks so clean, actually. Move it don't even need to move like all this around because the top just does it for you, like full 360. Like it just, it looks nice, it looks good, you know. And back here on the little trailer before this, like I don't know if you guys can see it, like you can either bring it up or down. So I still haven't figured out how to do that yet. I'm gonna mess around with this a little bit more and see if we can learn how to use this little gadget properly. But so far so good. I like it. It looks good. Still, you know, lightweight, not too heavy, so it's all good signs. Okay guys, so I popped out the manual because it's there for a reason. Okay, and in order to gain full access of the Smooth 4, you actually do need to download this app called ZY Play. And here it is. Boom. All right, I'm gonna, you know, use the Bluetooth, get it all together so we can utilize this beautiful device here. All right, let's get this going. All right guys, now it's fully mounted. Let's get this Bluetooth going. Let's see, so this is the one we have, and keep in mind that there's other ones as well, but selected this one, and then down here, the one we have, Smooth 4. All right, hit connect now, and you should be able to connect to your Bluetooth. Searching. There we go. And now you're basically good. You hit connect. Enter. Of course, you want to allow all these beautiful requests, and here we go. Now it has full access to it. So the thing is, now it's on standby mode apparently, but as soon as you go like put it sideways, balance it, like it's perfectly well maintained. You can get good shots, and this little, watch this. So that's like you can zoom in, zoom out. Perfect, man. See that? Put it back. Zoom in real quick. And of course, you turn, it turns with you. Like, you can get so many shots that you couldn't get before because of this device, you know. Sometimes, like, I'm using the phone in my hand right now, and I guarantee you, if it was the other way around, all this shaking wouldn't happen, you know. So I'm definitely gonna be utilizing this. And let's see. All right, this is taking a picture, record. All right, let's take a picture of this right in front of me, that sign. You see the flash, it definitely took a picture. And let's see, move back, hit the record button. You see the little red dot, so it's definitely, you know, it's recording. Just hit it again, stop. So yeah, you have full access of the phone, and you can definitely get new angles simply because, you know, it's steadier, and once again, definitely still lightweight. So this is definitely a great product. Definitely is definitely worth to get it. You know, it wasn't that expensive. I think it was like one something. So definitely not expensive. I ordered it off of Amazon. So yeah, check it out. It's definitely worth it. And yeah, got my little light right here. I did say I'd show you guys how bright this thing can get, right? So right now it's at what? 20%? Yeah. Put it up. And the higher the percentage goes, the lower, you know, the faster the battery will run out, of course. Best believe. It just got a lot brighter in here because of this. Like, the quality is definitely much better on here now, I'd say. And yeah. Yeah, back to this little baby. Definitely worth it, and I intend to use it too, because it will make recording much easier, you know. So yeah, definitely a good buy. I believe it was a good investment. So yeah, it's totally worth it. Like, subscribe, share, let me know what you guys think, and yeah, totally worth it. Again, take care, you guys. Signing off.